You look at this and you say, what did Muhammad get right here?
Welcome to CAM, Convert a Muslim.
When you put the Muslim sources together on like what the universe is like, down towards the bottom, you've got this giant fish or whale, and this giant fish or whale, it becomes agitated and it can kind of flop around, and that's when you get earthquakes and so on. But anyway, above that giant fish or whale, you have the seven earths. Keep in mind, everyone, according to the Quran, there are seven earths. And Ibn Abbas, what does he know? He points out that they're all flat. These are all flat earths. So the idea is that you have seven earths and they're all stacked up like pancakes, but there's some space in between them. There's some space in between them. And Muhammad says there's a 500-year journey in between each of these seven earths. So we're on the top earth, and then below us there's another earth, and so on, all the way down. And in between each of the two earths, there's a 500-year journey. Now, what is that? Walking, riding a camel, spaceship, whatever. Take your pick on what he means by 500-year journey. It doesn't fit what we actually observe with science. Anyway, Allah puts mountains down like tent pegs to keep the earth from flopping around when the giant fish flops around. And so you have this top earth here, and way out on the side you have this pool. That's where the sun goes down. And then stars are actually missiles that Allah uses to shoot at demons when they try to sneak into paradise to hear his plans. So you look at this and you say, what did Muhammad get right here?
It was a big mistake